Hey guys, welcome to the Stu Sells team's brand new listing, and we are right in the heart of downtown, right in Queen West. And check out this gorgeous courtyard in front of the building where we're bringing this 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo to market. It is a beautiful unit. We are on the southwest corner. You can see right to downtown. You can see the lake, you can see the city, and it's great because it's all windows around the full corners. You get a ton of light, a ton of sunshine. It's got 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, gorgeous wood floors throughout, beautiful granite counter kitchen, stainless steel appliances. It is a great starter unit. And you know what? I don't want to hear it anymore that you can't get in the market. This unit is under $700,000. For a 2-bedroom, 2-bath in downtown Toronto, that's crazy. And look where we are, we're right in Queen West. We've got the Gladstone, we've got the Drake, TDC at your doorstep, this great courtyard, park, get downtown easy. You can go and get on the bike and go to the bike path on the lake. There's so much to do here downtown. So look, go to StuSells.ca, see all the photos and videos, and give me Stu a call.